What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're going to be taking a look at XRP and its recent price action, along with some talk about news and fundamentals, and with the price prediction for the short and the long term as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone for their continued support, the likes and subscribers, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. We appreciate you all so much at the channel and been growing amazingly fast recently, so thank you to all of you. Our community has been growing amazingly recently. It's all down to you guys, so thank you so much. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. Also, if you're interested in even more info, we're offering Patreon and YouTube membership for coin calls, and also more in-depth research of altcoins with massive potential. All the links are in the description, and in any instance you can sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, XRP recently, the price action has been very positive for those who have been buying this coin ever since the start of the bull run. Obviously, back in November time, we started to see some run up for XRP. It actually ran as high as around almost 80 cents here and seemed to be coiling, ready for another move to the upside before the SEC lawsuit came and absolutely tanked the price already all the way down to around, what does this say here, 17 cents at around its lowest point, which is obviously a massive problem. The SEC lawsuit has suppressed the price of XRP for a long time in this bull run, which has not been great for investors, but many individuals such as ourselves on the channel have been accumulating XRP because we believe that once the SEC lawsuit is resolved, and we do believe that Ripple are going to win this SEC lawsuit, then XRP is going to absolutely explode to the upside. This may not happen, and the SEC may somehow win the lawsuit, and the price of XRP will likely drop very significantly, because that is going to be essentially very bad news for XRP in the short term. But we still believe that XRP is going to be a very solid performer in the long term. So we've basically been accumulating our bags in preparation for either eventuality. But there has been more and more recently there's been more and more bullish news about the XRP, about the Ripple lawsuit, sorry, with the SEC, and that's been reflected in the recent run up in price. As you can see here, the price was actually steadily increasing, and then off the back of seeing some very positive news from the lawsuit, the price of XRP actually did run up a massive amount here. It actually ran from around just under 60 cents all the way up to almost $2 here, which was around a 242% gain, which is obviously massive. And then XRP did have a small cooling off period here, and it did drop and actually double bottom at around 150 to 155 cents here. But obviously the FUD in the market and the recent market-wide correction did send XRP along with many cryptocurrencies down, where it saw this nice double bottom that we can see here at around $1, just under $1. The double bottom was in for XRP, and then since then the price action has been steadily increasing to the upside. We've seen a lot of technical analysts saying that XRP was forming an ABC formation to the downside, and that we could be seeing 60 to 70 cents again. But that's something personally that we don't really see considering this chart. People were actually saying that XRP was forming the ABC formation from this $2 range. We went down to just under $1. We've come back up, and then they're expecting that the price may continue downwards in a formation something like this to around 70 cents. But we don't believe that this is actually going to happen now, and it seems as though this price action has been invalidated by the recent movement upwards. As we can see, we've painted a bull flag here for XRP that we've been looking at for some time. And recently we got a breakout of this bull flag here. As we can see, it actually broke out at this 160 range here off the back of some positive news about a potential SEC meeting, which could be pertaining to the XRP, to the Ripple case about XRP. And in that instance, obviously the hype in the market sent the price out of this bull flag that we've been seeing for some time now. Obviously, if we were expecting another correction, the price would have come down, back up, retested this bull flag, and then continued to the downside and broke through the floor. But from what we're seeing of the current price action now, it seems likely that this flow of money and price and technical analysis has actually been invalidated because we've broken out of the bull flag to the upside, So the structure for this kind of movement has been broken. So we're not expecting XRP now to be falling to anywhere near to those levels. Considering the amount of buying pressure that we saw under $1 as well, it seems quite unlikely. So as we can see, XRP is currently trading at around 166 here. It may even be higher on smaller time frames. It seems to have broken out of the bull flag that we've painted here, and then come back and retested it somewhat, and did actually fall back into the bull flag. But now it seems as though it's just tested it again as support, and it seems to be going up in value as we speak. It seems very likely that the price action for XRP is going to continue to be choppy, because a lot of the hype and speculation currently is based on fundamentals to do with the SEC lawsuit. So any bit of positive or negative news, or at least news that is pertained to be positive or negative about the XRP and Ripple lawsuit, may obviously affect the price action much more than other cryptocurrencies potentially. So the technical analysis for XRP obviously only takes us so far. We're just speculating on where it could go based on TA, but there's a lot of fundamentals that are also moving the price. As we can see though, we've actually moved out of this bull flag here, come back, retested it somewhat, and actually broke below the bull flag. But then now we've retested it as support here and ripped to the upside. We're feeling fairly confident that XRP is probably going to continue to the upside from now on. We've also painted in this trend line, as you can see here. And if this trend line is respected, we may come back down and retest a 148, 150 level here. But what's most likely is going to happen now is that the price has bounced off the bull flag now and just going to use it as support in a similar way to the V-chain has done recently. And if the price can come up, retest this 175 level and go beyond it, then we're feeling very, very bullish about XRP. And we can easily see it going up and retesting the $2 local high, coming back, retesting support and structure at this 175 level, and then moving to the upside again. As you can see, we've painted in a line of around where the all-time high is from 2018. On most exchanges, it says around $3.50. So that would be the next price target if that was the case, because there is basically no more resistance to this point. So if XRP can move up to the $2 local high in the next few weeks and then bounce off, maybe retest support at 175 and then move beyond, then we would definitely be looking for a $3.50 XRP in the next few months. Obviously, if there's any fundamental changes, there's a win for the SEC lawsuit or a loss against the SEC for Ripple Labs, then there's obviously going to be massive fluctuations in price because of that as well. But from what we can see about the sentiment with XRP currently, it seems very likely that XRP is probably going to be heading to the upside in short order. So our short-term price target for XRP would be around $2.50 to $3. We see it getting to here once in the next few weeks, considering the price action that we're currently seeing. And now that XRP is breaking out of this bull flag and retesting it, we're probably going to see that $2 price point again, retest, and then move beyond to maybe $2.50, $3 in the next month or so. Our long-term price target for XRP heavily depends on the amount of adoption that it gets. Obviously, if the Ripple Labs lawsuit gets finalized and they win the lawsuit or settle, it's going to be very, very bullish for XRP, because they're going to have regulatory clarity, which means that all the institutions that have been getting involved with XRP and the Ripple ledger means that they can finally buy huge amounts of XRP, and that could potentially see the price heading up massively as well. We think based on retail investment alone, XRP could easily reach $10 in the next few months, especially with bullish news about the SEC lawsuit as well. So if Ripple Labs can settle, or they even win the lawsuit, we can easily see XRP running to $10 or beyond in the next few months because of that. Beyond that, depending on the amount of fundamental and institutional adoption that they get, we could see XRP anywhere from $20 to $100 and beyond, considering the amount of money that could potentially flow into XRP as a result. So those are our price predictions for XRP today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, including coin calls, and the higher tiers gain one-to-one access to us personally, as well as a look at our personal portfolio, our daily research of cryptocurrencies with massive potential, not to mention a 100x portfolio we're currently constructing. So please take advantage of that there. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that. And they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. Also make sure to hit the like button as it helps the channel out so much. So if you're a fan of the channel, please just go ahead and tap that like button now. It takes like 1 second, so just go ahead and tap it. Currently only 10% of our viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community continue to grow more. So please hit the big red subscribe button as well. You can sign up to our free Telegram via the description, and there's a whole host of links down there, so go and check them out. Sign up to the Telegram, it's completely free and you'll get all of our updates there. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.